Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to watch One Piece in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is open your App Store or Play Store and then simply go ahead and search for two of this application. The first is going to be Super VPN. I just searched for Super Drug. I don't know why. There you go, Super VPN. Then you want to simply go ahead and download and install this application. Click on open and make sure that you are connected to UK's VPN. Finally, the other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and search for BBC iPlayer and then download and install this into your application or mobile device and click on open. Now, all you need to do is once it simply goes ahead and opens, all you need to do is simply go ahead and register. So I'm just going to go ahead and create an account real quick. I'm going to do 13 and over. Finally, you want to simply go ahead and enter your email. Click on continue. Then it's going to send a verification code to your email. So simply go ahead and check that. I'm going to go ahead and open up my email real quick on my computer, which you can't actually see. All right, here you go. I have the BBC iPlayer code. So I'm simply going to go ahead and enter that back into the application and click on continue. Now I need to go ahead and create a password. I'm just going to go ahead and save and fill with that. You want to simply go ahead and enter these details right over here. So write your date of birth, and write your postcode as well, and click on register. Once you've done that, your account should be ready. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead and continue. Finally, once you've done that, you can turn on your auto sign in. And now you're going to be in the application. All you need to do is click on the Explore tab. And on the Search iPlayer tab, you want to simply go ahead and search for One Piece. As you can see, there are more than 1,000 episodes of this. All you need to do is simply go ahead and click on Start Watching. So it is as simple as that. You can simply go ahead and click on Start Watching one more time. I'm just going to do, I don't have TV license, and you can simply go ahead and continue with it. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.